Hey guys, welcome to R&L Homestead. Today we're going to be heading to Fall Creek Falls. So every Saturday we rotate who gets to pick what we do on Saturday. This week it was Caroline's turn, and she chose to go to Fall Creek Falls, and her and Dad, after that, went on a little date, and we made some mac and cheese, and they had mac and cheese sitting beside the aquarium overlooking the Tennessee River. And she really enjoyed that. And while they were there, Chattanooga has little carriages, like horse and, I don't know what you'd call them, but a horse and a little carriage thing that you can do a little tour around Chattanooga. And they didn't do that, but she did get a picture with one of the horses. So I'll show you that. You can see she enjoyed it. And then when we came home, it was pretty late and we didn't have time to build a fire because Caroline wanted to come home and have s'mores. But it was late, and in order to build the fire, it would have taken a little while and we needed to go to bed. So what we did was, since we have a gas stove top, we just roasted the marshmallows on that, and she enjoyed it, and she had a great Saturday. But for now, I'm gonna wrap up this video here for y'all, so make sure you like, subscribe, hit that little bell button, Share this video with your friends and family. Y'all have a good one, and God bless.